This year they knocked it out of the park. The new Ranger has the most power yet, and I tell you what, when you nail the gas, stuff happens. The other thing about the High Lifter Edition Ranger is the control arms. You get more usable ground clearance day one right off the factory floor. The skid plates on the Rangers are tough, so we got peace of mind. So if we hit something, we just keep on boogieing. We don't worry about it because that skid plate's gonna keep us protected. Naturally, High Lifter Edition needs a High Lifter Outlaw tire. And I tell you, they pull, they'll get you where you need to go. This year, Ranger added an above dash glove box, cup holders, storage compartments, a lot of storage on this unit. Another great feature on the new Ranger is the doors. Easy to open and shut, make you feel safe when you're riding. The water drains much better than ever before throughout the doors and through the undercarriage. Every year it just gets better, and this one is the best yet.